What up, Animal fans? This is your boy Alex Lexus coming at you with another mini short. Now, this is a prelude to one of my Mugen videos. Now, I had some time to actually sit, rest after this time of adjustment in this country. However, I'll be demonstrating a couple things. Like you'll see my new whip, Ashura. Most of you who've been following on the Mugen forums and new fans will start seeing some activity here and there. Now I get my routine down with my schedule and whatnot. But I'm going to tackle one topic today, and this is an idea for Sony and Microsoft. Originally, the topic was mainly going to be geared at Microsoft, but I think that all companies and mainly the game players can benefit from a concept. No, I don't know if anybody has mentioned this before, but I believe that Microsoft and Sony should somehow implement an idea for online storage. And I say this because if you have a Resident Evil save, or like one of those games like Halo Wars, something that takes time to put into your saves. And in my situation right now, my Xbox, I had the military shipping it to me, and it's going to take a while for it to get here. So saying that to say this, it dawned on me. I said, hey, you know what, this is a good idea. Microsoft should somehow, or not just Microsoft, but game developers as a whole, they should somehow make it so that when you save a game, they should ask you, hey, do you want to back it up online or something to that effect? Because I'm faced with a decision whether to buy a cheaper Xbox 360 Slim when Marvel vs. Capcom 3 gets here, and start all over with like my game saves, or should I wait like a month for my Xbox to get here? So what that can actually, Microsoft is going to benefit from this, because I'll have the means to get another system. That's another hardware sale and whatnot. But that would be a good idea, because if I need access to those saves, I can go on Xbox Live. Like, let's say they somehow created how they do Xbox Live arcade games, where you can't just download anybody's save. It would have to be like digitally signed to that console. Then we can go and get whatever saves that we need in case something like this were to happen. Another example, when I got the 360 Slim, and Animal fans who were watching that episode where I had that meltdown, I freaking lost everything. Like, my saves got screwed up. I mean, I wasn't a happy camper with that, and a lot of games I just stopped playing because I was just completely demoralized. Like 007 Bloodstone, I was gonna do that review for you guys, and my save got screwed up, so I said, "Hey, screw it. I'm not even gonna bother." But I'll just say it's a good idea. It's something that Microsoft, Sony, Nintendo, think about it. Just do some digital rights media, DRM. Make it so that somehow you can save your or back up your saves online, and then you can come back and get them if you're on another console, or something. I mean, I'm sure there's a way it can be worked out. Again, if they do it like live arcade games, and you have it on one system and you want to transfer it to another, and you have to use your live account or your PSN ID, that'd be like a great idea. So for the first half of this, NMO fans, let me know what you think of that concept. I don't want any praise for it if they decide to use it, but it's a idea that I think that the developer should take very seriously, because a lot of us are getting burned with these saves, and it would behoove the gaming industry to look into that sort of technology and resource that we as game players can use to our advantage. So again, let me know what you guys think. Online storage, should the companies or shouldn't the companies do it? Let me know what you think. Now, moving on to Ashura. Without further ado, let me know what you think. And I'll see you on the next episode of the NMO mini short series. Shout out to Anomaly, Shinwar, NMO family, my people at home, Mugen community. I'm safe. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Feeling like a pimp, nigga, gone, brush your shoulders off. Ladies is pimps too, gone, brush your shoulders off. Niggas is crazy, baby, don't forget that boy told you get that dirt on your shoulders.
Nerdcore, hip hop, other rappers running fear that I put them on the record where the fronts